Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh Gosai. I welcome you all to the next video of my office lab. In this video, we will be doing the cleaning. Yes, you heard it right. I'm talking about cleaning. Of course, not that Swachh Bharat Abhiyan one, but we will be doing the cleaning of our data in MS Excel by using the trim function. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. If we extract our data from some tool or software, it often comes with some extra spaces, either at the beginning and or sometimes in between the words as you can see on the screen. Let's say we import the list of organization, but for some reason Excel and the external database didn't play well together. As a result, our text has several spaces. So now we need to clean this up. We just need to remove extra spaces, but we also want to have one space in between the words. Now that's the beauty of trim function. It will leave one space in between and remove only the extra ones. In our example, the list of organization is in column A. So in column B, we'll add the formula that will clean up the data. Now select the cell where the formula will be entered and the new clean text will appear. This would be cell B2. Type equal to trim and press a tab key. Now enter the cell reference, which is cell A2, close the bracket and hit enter. That's it. Now we can copy the formula down in column B by just double clicking the corner of the cell B2. And here it is. As you can see on the screen, with the help of trim function, we have removed all the extra spaces and have a clean data in front of us. There are some limitations to trim function as well. Every character in Excel is given an ASCII value. The trim function removes spaces which are generated by using the ASCII code only 32. But the ASCII value code for non-breaking space is 160. However, these type of characters can be removed with the combination of char and the substitute function along with the trim function, which I will be covering in the next video. So that's it for today. If you find my video useful and if you have learned something new or I was able to refresh your Excel knowledge, then do hit the like button and yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay safe.